I'm going to quickly show you how to use the water flow from point tool in Site3D. So there's many ways that you can assess a 3D surface in Site3D, and one of the ways is to use the height colouring, which you can see is already on this drawing here, and it shows you the high areas in orange and the low areas in blue, and you can see it kind of grading between them. If you want some more definition and you want to see exactly how the water would flow from one place to another, what you can do is go to the surface menu and use the water flow from point tool. Choose the surface, in this case it's going to go on the current survey, and then you can see exactly what's going to happen. So from here you can see the most downward path is following that route here. It highlights, in this case you can see there's a clear area here that the water will not want to go through, and you can just about see on the colouring there's a slight raised point here, but this tool really highlights that. You can see the exact point at which it would flick one side of it to the other. It is a very useful tool for highlighting these kind of situations. You can also use it on your final and formation surfaces as well. So I've actually created a final surface here, which I'll just turn on so we can see the roads and buildings and ponds. And what I want to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing. Go to the surface, water flow from point, change the surface this time to my final surface. Now you can see where the water would flow across the site that we've designed. So you can see anywhere on the road, it's going to rapidly go from the place on the road straight across to the channel line, and then it goes along the channel, which is great. That would suggest that we're not going to have any kind of ponding on, or puddling I should say, on the road surface. It's going to go straight to the curb and into a gully, which is great. You can also then see, as you're going in between buildings, you can see what's going to happen with the sort of garden path. So you can see, yes, okay, this area here is flowing towards the building, and so is that one. So these would be areas that you might want to then reconsider the levels of the FFLs and the garden plot levels and things like that to stop it flowing directly towards the back of a house or something like that. And you get the choice to sort of see exactly how this thing would then which direction the water would flow in. And there we go. That is how you use the water flow from path tool in Site3D. Thank you.